Hello everyone. I am Kajal Shah. By profession, I am a tarot card reader, an alternative healing therapist. Healing, there are many modalities like Reiki, Pranic, many more. Today, I am going live from the platform of Helping Hand. Helping Hand is a foundation. They have started this thing to provide mental and physical overall well being in this pandemic situation. Today, I am going to have a session with you all, the givers of the society, the volunteers, the frontliners, the health workers, and other than that, all the mothers in the family, all the fathers, all the kids who are giving their best to survive in this pandemic situation. So, at the end of the session, we will do a small 10 minutes meditation that is a reliever for all of us. We all can do that and get rid of the stress. So, stress, a big and very popular word nowadays, right? तो क्या है स्ट्रेस और ये क्या करता है? स्ट्रेस इज एन अवेयरनेस. अकॉर्डिंग टू अ थियोरी, स्ट्रेस क्या है कि तो स्ट्रेस हमें अवेयर करता है कि आगे भाई डेंजर है, तो जरा संभल के. वो हमें अवेयरनेस देता है कि जिस डेंजर का आप सामना करने वाले हैं या कर रहे हैं, उसमें अपने माइंड को काम करके अपने शरीर की और मन की पूरी ताकत लगा के उससे बाहर निकलो कि भाई भागना है कि कुत्ते का सामना करना है. दिस अवेयरनेस कम्स फ्रॉम द स्ट्रेस. फॉर एक और एग्जांपल मैं आपको देना चाहूंगी कि जैसे चल के जा रहे हैं और खड्डा आया, द सेम रिएक्शन कि अरे बाप रे, अगर गिर गया होता तो, या गिर गई होती तो. दैट अवेयरनेस इज अ स्ट्रेस. पर स्ट्रेस जो हमें आता है बाय डिफॉल्ट, ये हम सबके अंदर एक बाय डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग है जो यूनिवर्स की ओर से है. पर वो सिचुएशन खत्म होने के बाद हमें उस स्ट्रेस से बाहर निकलना है. हमें अपने आप को काम डाउन करना होता है. वो शायद हम कहीं ना कहीं भूल जाते हैं. और ये स्ट्रेस हम पूरा दिन या पूरी लाइफ लेके चलते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू हार्वर्ड मेडिकल रिसर्च स्कूल, हमारी 80 टू 90 परसेंटेज विजिट डॉक्टर की जो होती है आर ड्यू टू स्ट्रेस ड्रिवन डिसीजेस, जिसे हम साइकोसोमेटिक डिसीजेस भी कहते हैं. There are many ways to get rid of our stress. Meditation is one of them. Meditation हमें एक अलग कामनेस देता है. जो रिसर्च चल रही है उनके हिसाब से, साइंटिस्ट के हिसाब से, स्ट्रेस इज अ ब्लैक प्लेग ऑफ आवर सेंचुरी. हमें इसका सामना करना ही है. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, ये स्ट्रेस हमें क्या बना देगा? सामने वाले जो हमें देख रहे हैं उनके उनकी नजर में हम एक स्टूपिड बन जाएंगे. उन्हें हम सिक दिखेंगे, बीमार दिखेंगे. हम स्लो डाउन हो जाएंगे. हमारी काम करने की कैपेबिलिटी कम हो जाएगी. हम जिस स्पीड से काम कर सकते हैं वो कम हो जाती है. स्ट्रेस हमें एक सिचुएशन में खड़ा कर देता है कि अब भाई क्या करना है. अगर कुत्ता आ गया, आप उधर खड़े ही रह जाएंगे तो क्या करेगा? कुत्ता आपको काटेगा. हमें उससे बाहर निकल के फिर अगेन काम डाउन होके आगे बढ़ना है. मेडिटेशन हमें इस सिचुएशन में हेल्प करता है. बाय डूइंग मेडिटेशन वी कैन अप लेवल आवर कॉन्शियसनेस. हमारी जो कॉन्शियसनेस है, जो हमें हमारे ब्रेन को एबिलिटी देती है काम करने के लिए, हमारी परफॉर्मेंस कैपेसिटी बढ़ाती है, हमारी थिंकिंग एबिलिटी बढ़ाती है, सिचुएशन को फेस करने की ताकत देती है, फाइट बैक करने की स्ट्रेंथ देती है, कोई भी सिचुएशन को कैसे हल करें वो बताती है. वो हमारी ब्रेन की कैपेसिटी को बूस्ट करता है. इसका हम मोर एग्जाम्पल मैं इससे मेडिटेशन को दूंगी कि इट गिव्स 2 to 5 टाइम मोर डीपर रिलैक्सेशन देन आर स्लीप. हम इसे ये भी कह सकते हैं कि यू मतलब अगर पूरा दिन काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत थकान हो गई है, यू टेक अ नैप एंड ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द नैप you are much more relaxed, much more calmer, and much more work efficient at your work, at your life. ये हमें बेटर इंसान बनाता है। मेडिटेशन हर इंसान को करना चाहिए। इट इज नॉट कि सिर्फ जो स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिस करते हैं उन्हें करना चाहिए। मेडिटेशन करके हमें बेटर मेडिटेटर नहीं बनना है। मेडिटेशन करके हमें अपनी लाइफ को बेटर वे में जीना है, एक बेटर इंसान बनना है, जो हमें अच्छा विजडम देता है, हमारी सोचने की शक्ति को बढ़ाता है। पूरे दिन 24 घंटे में से अगर हम 2% टाइम हमारा मेडिटेशन को देंगे, तो वो हमारी वर्किंग कैपेसिटी को 90% बढ़ा देता है। सो लेट्स डाइव इनटू ओशन ऑफ मेडिटेशन। एक छोटा सा मेडिटेशन जो हर कोई कर सकता है, नॉट ओनली द वॉलंटियर्स हु आर ऑन द टोज 24/7 फॉर अस, विथ अस, इस सिचुएशन को फेस करने में, पर हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स, हमारी सोसाइटी, ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन कैन डू दिस मेडिटेशन with us. So let's start it. Be in a quiet place जहाँ पे आप जैसे कंफर्टेबल हो, बैठना, खड़ा रहना, रेस्ट लेके बैठना, अगर सोना है तो भी एक ऐसी जगह पे बैठ जाइए जो आपके लिए एक कंफर्टेबल जोन हो, जहाँ पे ज्यादा आवाज ना हो। कोशिश करिए कि आवाज ना हो। देन टेक योर राइट हैंड, थंब एंड योर लास्ट फिंगर, पुट दिस इन द सिचुएशन लाइक अनुलोम विलोम। हम में से कई लोग योगा जानते हैं, प्राणायाम जानते हैं, so we know how to do anulom vilom, but then still start with closing your right nostril, inhale from left nostril, take a deep breath, inhale from left side, exhale from left side. Don't hurry. Again inhale from left side, take a pause, and exhale from right side, like this. You can keep open your eyes right now. Then inhale from right side, close your right nostril, and exhale from left side. Again inhale from left side, take a pause, try to collect your thoughts, center your thoughts with this inhale and exhalation. Take a pause, exhale from right side, your right nostril. Again inhale from right nostril, take one more deep pause, and exhale from left nostril. Inhale from left nostril, take a pause, and exhale from right nostril. Inhale from right nostril. Start imagining with this air, with this breathe, you are taking all the positivity that are going into your lungs, your spine, base of your spine. Exhale from the other side. Exhale all the negativity. Again, inhale from the same side. Take this air, this energy to your brain, each and every cell of your brain, and take all the negativity from there and exhale deeply. Throw it out from your body. Again, inhale. Bring this air and energy to the base of your spine, to every cell of your body, to your knees, to your foot sole, to your hands. Take all the positive energy through this breath and bring back all the negativity with this exhalation and throw it out from your body. Inhale from the same side. Center your all imagination in the middle of your forehead and bring everything that is making a chaos in your brain and exit it out. Now relax. You can keep your hands on your lap, and now you can close your eyes. Try to calm down yourself. If thoughts are coming, let them come. Be a visionary. Let the thoughts come in and go out. Watch them as a spectator. Take a few moments to relax yourself. Now, take all your senses, all the five senses of our body, take them together. इसकी हेल्प से हम इस मोमेंट में, इस प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में अपने आप को ग्राउंड करेंगे. So bring all your awareness to all five senses of your body. Start with sound. Be comfortable with every sound around you. My voice, any other voice in the room. It can be a fan voice, an AC voice, or any other voice that are coming outside from the room. Don't judge them. Try to make yourself comfortable with all the voices that are coming to your ears. Because we are in awareness stage and our senses are our awareness door. We will use our senses as a tool to ground ourselves, to be in this moment, to be right here and right now. Now, the touch. Feel the air in on your skin, the touch of the air on your skin. Feel the chair or bed on which you are sitting. Feel that comfort. Feel your hair on your shoulder, on your head. Be comfortable with that. Now, our vision. With the closed eyes, see whatever it's coming, the darkness, the visions, the whole day's work scenario, whatever is coming, let just come that and be a spectator. Slowly feel all your senses. Now it's the time for taste. Recall the taste, your dinner, your snack, whatever you have. Feel that in your mind, in your body. And our last sense, fifth sense, that is smell. Every house, every room has their typical smell. Have sense of that smell. You can even smell the AC wind. Normal room, normal air is smell different, and AC air smell different. Feel that. Now together we feel all our senses. Collectively we start being conscious with our senses. Listen to that wind chime that is ringing थोड़ी दूर आपसे. Enjoy that music. Expand yourself. Expand your relaxation. All the senses. Listen while you're listening. See while you watching. Touch while you touching. Taste while you tasting. And smell while you smelling. Calm down yourself. Be a spectator. Let whatever have to come, and let it go. Now, in this deep silence, if you wish, you can chant any mantra, anything that gives you a little taste of positivity, a little taste of calmness, a little taste of more and deep relaxation. Or if you are feeling sleepy, don't force yourself to be aware. You can have your sleep and be with yourself for a moment. Keep close your eyes. Don't argue in your mind. If anything comes, then let it come. Just listen to your thoughts. Just see the scenario of the whole day or any past event that is coming in your mind. Be with yourself. Don't force yourself to do anything. Don't force to stop your thoughts. Don't force to take deep breaths. Be normal, be quiet. With this silence, if this smile is coming on your face, let it come. Keep your eyes closed. Now, let go of all the words, everything that has hurt you or is hurting you or draining your energy. all the arguments, all the dislikes, all the itchy feelings, all itchy emotions, and anchor yourself. With this anchoring, we ground ourselves in the present moment, right here, right now. Now, slowly come back to your body, and from there, start feeling grounded. Start feeling that you have anchored yourself, even though there is chaos, any kind of chaos, a work chaos, thought chaos, any arguments, any fight that has come. Ground yourself. Imagine what you would like to see. You can imagine your dream. You can imagine what you would like to be. You can imagine how you will help anyone, how you can contribute to anyone, how you can make any people laugh, smile. And with this, slowly you can open your eyes. Take your time. Open your eyes. How do you feel? Does it relaxing? This is a very simple technique of meditation. You can do it by yourself. 5 to 7 deep breaths. A quick recap of this meditation. 5 to 7 deep breath. Use your senses as tool to collect yourself. That will help you to ground yourself in the present moment. Stress is what I want to do and I can't do. That is stress. How meditation help to get rid of the stress? Meditation help us to bring ourselves in the present moment. Think of any person who is giving you stress, and think of any person with whom you like to be. So which kind of person you would like to be yourself? The one who is giving stress to everyone, or the one who is giving calmness to everyone? With this, any kind of meditation that enhance your work capacity, it add on your wisdom, it will make you a better person than you were. So keep meditating, not to become a meditation practitioner, but to become a better person. So that is all from my end. Keep meditating, keep doing the work you are doing, and we all together can fight this situation and come over this. Have a good night and have a good life. Thank you so much.